Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Audrey Saskia Febina Baiti and you can call me Saskia.
Okay, Saskia. How old are you?
I am 19 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Tangerang.
Okay, Saskia. What subject do you like best?
My favorite subject is English because I really like listening and singing music.
Okay. Now let's talk about your home. Saskia, who do you live with?
I live with my mom and younger brother. My father works in Cilegon.
Saskia, please tell me what you like doing at home.
I like listening and singing music and watching K-drama.
Do you like cooking?
No, I don't like cooking, but I like eating.
Okay. Do you prefer to spend your free time alone or with other people?
I prefer to spend time alone, but if there is a long holiday, I prefer to spend time with my best friend, exploring places I have never visited before, and of course, cleaning.
Are you a student or do you work?
I am studying.
Where do you study?
I study in University Sultan Agung Rekayasa.
What is your major?
My major is nursing.
Why did you choosing that major?
I chose this major because I want to help people and take care of patients. I also want to become a professional nurse in the future.
Okay, thank you, Saskia.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. I really enjoyed our conversation. Have a great day.